Hi, so today I'm going to present about the TB1063 Data Communication and Network for Socket Programming. So this is our group member. I'm Anshake with student ID 21001337, and this is me, Harif, with the student ID 22007165. Alright, so this is what we do. Firstly, we use TCP server to receive the information. So this our code is it's basically to receive the server to receive the packet from the client, and we use this code with the server port 12,000 for consisting of 13 lines of code. So it will also output the sentence the server is ready to receive. Alright. So then this is the TCP client.py code where we output the message, or we send the message to the server uh using the port IP address 172.16.75.224, with the server port the same as above, 12,000. And the here we can input any sentence in lowercase, where then we will decode it to an uppercase sentence. Finally, this is the Wireshark, the packets received, or the packet received in Wireshark, whereas it shows the communication between the server and the client device. Alright, so that's all from me and from our group. Thank you.